Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deliver a present to earn more snowflakes in Dress and Press new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update has been dropped in Dress and Press, and there is new snowflakes that we can earn to buy something from the shop. And to earn the snowflakes faster, you can join the free play mode guys, and you can deliver present to earn more snowflakes. Okay, just go to the free play mode and you can go outside of the building right here. Okay, and you will see these buildings and go to this area, the Santa's workshop. Enter the Santa's workshop, and you need to create a present right here. Just tap on create present, and you can choose the wrapped. Just follow the guide here guys. I'm going to choose a wrapping paper. I'm going to choose this one and wrap the box in the paper like this. Okay, just follow the arrow like this. Okay, and it's almost done. Okay, the last one, choose a bow. I'm going to choose this one and stick the bow to the present. Okay, and we're going to deliver this present to a lady. You need to find a lady guys, and there will be a guide. You can see, right? Okay, you just need to follow the arrow. Okay. Oops, it's not here. Okay. And just deliver the present to this lady. And I got 4 snowflakes. And you can repeat these steps as much as you want to earn more snowflakes. And that's how you can earn snowflakes faster, guys, in Dress and Press Christmas update. Okay, guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!